Manchester City have found themselves in a precarious situation after star midfielder Rodri suffered a season-ending ACL injury. Pep Guardiola confirmed the devastating news last Friday, revealing that the Spanish maestro's season was cut short abruptly. Rodri, known for his crucial role in City's midfield, went down in the first half clutching his right knee after a non-contact incident. The surgery was successful, but his recovery will sideline him for over 8 months. With City fighting for silverware on multiple fronts, an immediate replacement is paramount. Enter Samuele Ricci, Torino's 23-year-old midfield sensation, who has caught the eye of Guardiola and his scouting team. Ricci, valued at around £30 million, has been instrumental in Torino's outstanding Serie A campaign, where they currently sit atop the standings. Ricci's versatility, his ability to dictate the tempo, break up opposition attacks, and distribute the ball effectively, has made him one of Italy's most promising young talents. Such qualities render him an attractive option for City, who need someone to fill the immense void left by Rodri's absence. However, snagging Ricci won't be a straightforward task. Torino are enjoying a successful season and may be reluctant to part ways with one of their key players, especially as they dream of securing a Champions League spot. With Ricci set to feature in Torino's upcoming match against Lazio, all eyes will be on him. On the other side, Manchester City brace themselves to face Newcastle United at St. James Park. The looming January transfer window adds an extra layer of intrigue. Will City make a substantial bid that Torino simply can't refuse, or will the Italian club hold firm, keeping their midfield dynamo for their own European ambitions? One thing is clear. The transfer saga surrounding Samuele Ricci is just beginning, and it promises to be one of the most compelling storylines of the season.